Good morning, friends. In chapter number 7, continue diversity in living organism. In this chapter, today we discuss about the protochord data. In the morning session, we have to discuss already about this topic. That is, these type of animals are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, as well as they have body. These show are new features of body design, namely as a notochord. Here the notochord is a long rod like support structure that runs along the back of the animals. It provides place for muscles to attach to help the movement. Here protochordates, these are the marine animals. These animals are marine animals. For example, Balanoglossus, Herdmania, and Amphioxus. All these are the well-known or familiar example of the protochordata. Now vertebrata. Now these animals have a true vertebral column and internal skeleton. These animals have a true vertebral column and internal skeleton. Vertebrates are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and body as well as segmented, with complex differentiation of the body tissue and organs. Here, all the chordates possesses some features like they have notochords, they have dorsal nerve cord, they are triploblastic, they have paired gills pouch, and they have schistosomate. Now vertebrates are grouped into 6 classes. First one, cyclostomata. So this example, that is the eel. Okay, so cyclostomates are the jawless vertebrate, and they are characterized by having an elongated eel like body, circular mouth, slimy skin. Okay, and they are scaleless, they have no scale. Okay, so all these are the example of the cyclostomata. Okay, eel is the best example, okay, of this cyclostomata, because they have a body, circular mouth, slimy skin. Okay, they have no scales less. These are the scaleless. Okay, and next one, that is we discuss about Pisces. Okay, so these are the fish, and they are aquatic animals, and their skin is covered with the scales. Now the Pisces, that is, they obtain oxygen dissolved in water using the gills. Okay, using the gills. Here the body is streamlined, and a muscular tail is used for the movement, and they are cold-blooded, and their heart have only 2 chambered. They lay eggs. Okay, there are many kinds of fishes, some with skeletons made entirely cartilage, for example shark. Okay, and some with skeleton made of both the bones and cartilage, such as tuna as well as rohu. Okay, so these are the example of the Pisces. So that is a mandarin fish, anglerfish, lionfish. Okay, electric ray, stingray, dogfish, rohu, seahorse, flying fish, climbing patch. All these are the family example of the Pisces. Now next we take amphibia. So these animals differ from the fish in the lack of scales, in having mucous gland in the skin. They have 3-chambered heart, respiration through either gills or the lungs. So type of animals, they lay eggs. These animals are found in both water as well as on the land. For example, salamander, toad, that is a common frog, tree frog. All these are the familiar example of the amphibia. Now, next group we take Reptilia. Reptilia. So these animals are the cold-blooded. These animals are cold-blooded and have scales and breathe through the lungs. While most of them have three-chambered heart. Crocodile have four heart chambers. They lay eggs with the tough covering. Snakes, turtle, chameleon, king cobra, okay, flying lizard, wall lizard, all these are the best example of the reptilia. Now we take our next points, that will be ewes. So these ewes, these are the warm-blooded animals. Ewes mean that is the birds, group of birds. Okay, so ewes are the warm-blooded animals and have a four-chambered heart. They lay eggs. There is an outside covering of feathers, and two forelimbs are modified for the flight. As we know that there are two wings. Okay, they breathe through the lungs. All the birds fall in this category. Okay.